Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Monday. This is Tina Kadish of Life is Ideal. So it's been a while that I've tuned in to do a Facebook Live, and I can promise you that I will be doing more Facebook Lives going forward. It's something that I don't know about you, but there's days that I'm just like, I gotta do a live. I know I gotta do a live because my goal is to connect with people. It's to not just post things, but I really want to create that connectivity. Can't talk today. So I hope that all of you, for those of you that are moms, had a great Mother's Day yesterday, and we are ready to kick off a new week. I know that I am ready to kick off a new week. And so for those of you that are going to tune in live, thank you so much. And I know that I will see people in a few minutes or not catch the replay. So I wanted to tune in today and talk about why use a business plan versus do it yourself strategy. And so one of the things that I just created is a business model mapping. But for those of you that don't know me, before I go into my topic today, is as a life purpose coach and freedompreneur, I support the unhappy corporate women primarily who are stuck, unhappy, unfulfilled in that corporate world. They want to leave and they want to transition into entrepreneurship. That's where I was. However, I got laid off and found myself looking for something else, and I was in transition, but I did go back to a job that I left in 2018 as a corporate recruiter, and I'm now a full-time entrepreneur. And why do I want to help women that are in corporate careers? Well, I don't know about you, but even before the pandemic, there's a lot of people that are disengaged with the workplace. Over 85% are unhappy with where they are, what they're doing. They don't even know what their passions are at all. They don't have a plan, no direction. We need to have direction, or it's advisable to have a plan. You can't just get in your car without a GPS, especially when you're going to a place that's unknown, and expect to get there. So like anything in life, okay, we want to have a plan. We want to know how to get there, unless of course, I'm just being funny here. Of course, when you know where you're going, you don't need to put on your GPS. But so think of a business plan as you're mapping out your business. I was mapping out my career when I was laid off. I didn't, I tried to do it myself. Many of you might be in a place right now that are looking for all the freebies, figure it all out. And I don't know about you, but it can get very overwhelming. And you just don't know what you're seeing out there, what you're getting is for you, or is it good? Has it been proven? Has it been successful? And we just get so much information. So we get into an information overload. Okay, I know that's where I've been. So I created this business planning process recently, and it is now a new service that I offer for individuals that they know they want to leave the corporate world, they know they want to be an entrepreneur, and now what? As I've been interviewing more and more women who are looking to leave and want to be an entrepreneur, I've been told multiple times, I don't know what I got to do. I don't know what I got to do next. Like, I'd like to have a checklist that I got to do this, 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 and this. Because, yes, you're working with me. I'm coaching you through my process, but people still need to have it mapped out. So what is the map? So when I work with people through this business planning, I help you to create a vision of your business. Okay, what is it that you want to create? What is it that you want to bring in? Okay, because one thing you want to do is I help you to create clear and a simple process that is aligned with your vision. It's aligned with your market, and it's aligned with your talents. We all have strengths, okay? We all have our values. what makes us unique? And that's something that we need to map it out. Like, what makes you unique? We are all unique. We all have special gifts and talents to offer the world. So this business planning strategy that I offer is I really help you. Where are you right now? What's your current state? And where do you want to go? What is it that you want to achieve in your business? And is it aligned with your values? Is it aligned with your vision? You know, it's a process that's clear and simple. We don't want anything complicated. Now, I remember years ago when I first started Life is Ideal, I worked with a mentor and I needed help with the business plan. Okay, we start a business and we go out and we need a business plan. Well, this was so overcomplicated. It wasn't simple at all that I kind of was like, oh my God, it was like so much number crunching and how do you compare to the competition. Part of my process is we do figure out what is it going to cost you to be in business. We need to know where your numbers are. Absolutely. You can't run a business without knowing your numbers. Where are you? So when we talk about your process here, it's having it clear and simple to get you to where you want to go. So why not do it yourself? You may not know what to do. You may not know the strategies. You may not know the tools. So I invite you to use someone who can help you. And it doesn't have to necessarily be me, just because I'm talking about this today. My topic today really is to help you that if you want to get a business plan, a strategy, don't waste so many hours in the do-it-yourself strategy that so many of us fall into because what is it? We're thinking about, oh, it's going to cost me money. Why would I spend money if I'm not making money? I get it. I get it. But at the beginning, especially, you are investing. And as a matter of fact, you're always investing in your business. Okay, you are. Course, investing in the right things. You don't want to do things that don't make sense either. You want to invest in the right processes, in the right activities. Okay, I'm not saying to just throw your money away. Okay, so I don't know who's tuning in right now, but I know that this is in the middle of the afternoon. Some of you are out and about. I was inspired to do this today, and the way my schedule was today, this was the only free time that I had, but I promise you that I will tune in earlier in the day or later, either in the evening or earlier in the day. But I want to tune in today. Love to hear you. Where are you in your journey? Are you looking to leave your corporate career? Are you looking to make changes? You want to be an entrepreneur and you don't know what to do next? Let's have a conversation. Message me directly and let's have a conversation. I offer 30-minute clarity call to let's just figure out what is it that what are your challenges? What do you want to achieve? What is your goal? You want to start a business and you just don't know what that is. You don't even know where to begin. I can help you, steer you in that direction. And so I just want to tune in today real quickly. It's a quick 5-minute just to let you know, why would you want to do it yourself when you can have a clear, simple process? And my process it's a 9-part process where we go from the beginning and at the end you have a plan of action. You'll have the clarity. You'll work with me one-on-one to get you started and have it really aligned with your vision. Who do you market? Okay, that is aligned with that, and what are your talents? Okay, so this is Tina Kadish of Life is Ideal. Let's book a call. I'll put my calendar link right here in the comments. Let's get on a 15-minute, 30-minute call, and let's help you get into that right direction, because as you know, many of us are unemployed right now, and the pandemic has really hit us hard. But let's help you to get started in a business. Let's help you really make your dream a reality instead of just staying stuck and unhappy and unfulfilled. So goodbye for now. Until next time. And again, Tina Kadish of Life is Ideal. And thank you so much for tuning in today.